mixed income and yung employer remits withholding tax, need pa ba i-declare ang day job compensation sa 1701Q? Parang nadodoble kasi yung bayad. The answer is hindi. 1701Q means quarterly income tax return. 1701Q version 2018, yung BIR form na ginagamit natin sa pagpa-file ng first quarter, second quarter, saka third quarter income tax return. Ang nilalagay natin doon, pag mixed income earner tayo, ay yung freelancing income only. So, freelancing income lang yung ilalagay mo doon. Paano mo maisasama yung compensation income mo sa filing ng annual income tax return? Sa filing na ng annual, doon mo na siya pagsasamahin using your income sa BIR form 2316, yung certificate of compensation payment. And then compensation income plus freelancing income ang magiging total income mo for your annual income tax return filing. Ganun siya. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.